Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. More than 80 Aqua leaders representing 11 communities in the region met at the Salesian mission in Wasa, Kensa to participate in the Aqua Youth meeting of the Salesian Youth Movement (SYM) in Ecuador. The event took place from 22nd to 26 July under the motto, "The Dream That Makes You Dream." And in the spaces of the forum, essential themes such as family, love, sexuality, education, culture, the good use of technology, communication, care for nature and God's project for every young person were addressed. The 2024 summer camp at the Don Bosco Formation Center DBFC in Lawan was held at the beautiful Masbas Eco Bay Resort on the island of Camotes from 23rd to 27 July. The event was attended by 21 young people, Salesian aspirants, 6 accompanying Salesians, 8 camp organizers and 2 DBFC support staff members. Inspired by the altar patterns theme, Seeking the Things Above, Taking Bolder Steps, the camp had ripple effects on participants' life as it helped them embrace boldness, foster spirit of courage in exploring faith and personal growth, and ignite their leadership potential. The first Zavante Youth Day was held on 24th July at the Salesian presence in São Marcos based on Your Dreams Have Gone Much Further, involving 30 young people from the villages of the indigenous territory of São Marcos. Salesians Clayton Cecilio da Silva and Pablo Henrique Gomez Silveiro presented the Rector Major Strena 2024, "The Dream That Makes You Dream." The meeting was also attended by the Director of the Missionary Presence, Father Douglas Cristiano, and the Pastoral Coordinator, Father Butus Volkmar Tola, who administered the sacraments to young people. In a gathering that could shape the future of the Salesians in South Asia, the South Asia Formation Commission (SAFC) of the Salesians of Don Bosco commenced its annual meeting at the Don Bosco Provincial House in Kolkata. From 31st July to 3rd August 2024, 18 formation delegates from 12 provinces across India and Sri Lanka will tackle the formidable challenges and discuss processes of formation, striving to strengthen the Salesian foundation. More than 150 delegates and social communication experts gathered in the morning of Friday, 2nd August 2024 at the inauguration of the World Conference on Social Communication Shaping Tomorrow, promoted by the Social Communication Sector of the Salesian Congregation and the Faculty of Social Communication Sciences of the Salesian Pontifical University (UPS). Those present gathered at the Aula Magna of the UPS were able to listen to the welcome messages and introductory speeches by Father Machiet Makula, main coordinator of the event, of the Rector Magnificus of UPS, Father Andrea Bozzolo, of Father Gildazio Mendes, General Counsellor for Social Communication, and finally of the Rector Major of the Salesians of Don Bosco, Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.